I like to border. I have to apply a border to this. Right? This is my data portion. I like to block this portion. I like to apply a border for this. So border is available over here. You can see here, this is my borders. After my underline, there is a small drop down. In this I have a border. So I can choose the border I like to do. I like to put an outside border. I do it like this. And you can see that the outside border is applied now. I like to put a outside border to this. Right? I can click on this bottom one, bottom border. So now I have a bottom border, then I have a data here. So I can apply a border to this. Right? For each of this record, I like to apply a border. So apply a border, top, bottom, everything. Then you apply it all borders, all left, right, everywhere I like to apply it. You can see now. So this also you can do. Right? So I can do this in this way as well. So this is about borders. I like to apply only right border to this, block it, select border, select right border. So right border. Only right border will get applied. There is a good question asked. I like to, if I want to have some word say yes, if matches certain criteria, else it should give no. I'll take it as this example. So if here it is yes, I like to sum A, B, C, D, E, F. I have a value here. Yes means yes, sum this. So here 10, 15, 1000, 100, 2, 300, like this. If it is no, I have a value like this. So 35, 15, 20, 25, etc. So I have value like this. So if it is yes, I like to sum this. If it is no, I like to sum this. If it is yes, I like to sum this. If it is no, I like to sum this. The yes and no come from here. Say, assume that whether it is yes or no. So para value, I put it here like this, yes or no. If it is yes, I like to sum this. If it is no, I like to sum this. This is my total. Total is based on conditional statement. So yes, no, if condition, please note if, right, B17, if B17 is this, equals yes, case, I am just making it case sensitive. If it is yes, what do you want to do? I like to sum this range. I like to sum this. If it is not yes, what do you want to do? I like to sum this. If it is false, right? So now you can see here, individual sum, I'll do it so that you know what is the value passed. Right? Now I make it here no. Right? If it is no, I'll want to if B17 equal to yes, that's fine. So I change it here to no or any other value other than no value. I missed the sum here, that is why we got an error. So I'll put a sum here. So I'll put a sum here. If that is not there, you can see now it is 481. So if I make it as yes, it is 1433. I think this clears you your exact problem. If it is other than x, anything, any other value 481, right? So I can get that as well. So if you give any other value other than yes and no, I want to say wrong value. So then how do I do? So then if yes, do this. Otherwise check. I am putting additional if condition within the statement. If B17 equals no, right, then sum 14, else, right, number of brackets you have to be careful. Entered other than yes or no, or I'll say invalid value. Enter yes or no. So I want to pass this information, right? Please make sure that you have properly put the if condition, right? If values is yes, sum this, okay, else I go to the logical statement. I have a parenthesis here, starting point. If it is no, I like to remove this. If it is no, right, I have a false value. So I close the braces over here. Now I give it as yes, I give it as no, I give it other than yes and no, I say Y. Sorry, I say D. You can see enter yes or no. Right? Enter yes or no. You can see now, if I put yes, I get the value. If I put no, I get the value. If I put other than yes and no, say G, I get enter yes or no. Right? So how do we? This is how it is. So there is a people, I'm not sure whether they have attended yesterday's class. They are asking me, how do I do if 0 to 30, then red circle, 31 to 90, it is yellow circle, like that. So I want this range, I want to give it in that way. So that is, yesterday we have seen this, that is called conditional formatting. So in conditional formatting, I say here range, right? Between, I give it here, between say, say 200, 100 to 200. Between 100 and 200, I want to make it as okay. So now you can see this, it has been formatted. Right? So if it is between 100 to 200, it is formatted. I again go to the conditional formatting. I change this condition now. Between 100 to say 300. Right? I have to, of course, I have to give a range. Give a range between 100 to 300. 100, 300. Now you can see here it has been passed. The values has been passed. So this is conditional formatting. Right? So this is conditional formatting. So there is a big question asked. I will go through that question in details. So anyway, it is about COUNTIF, COUNTIF yes. So we'll anyway COUNTIF yes or some if yes. So anyway, we'll see that multiple criteria tomorrow. I'll give a better explanation. So whatever the question asked is about that. So we'll talk about that in tomorrow's session. So this is what I wanted to give you today. So we have applied a border, we have applied the formatting to the columns and rows. So this is possible. So I like to change the italics. I can change it to italics as well. So I want to change all the values to italics. I can change it, select this as well. So all these are possible. So tomorrow's topic is going to be pivot table. After I clarify on this conditional statement along with multiple set of conditions, applying it into a single condition, we will see that tomorrow. And also we need to see pivot table, horizontal lookup, vertical lookup. It might take one more class extra. We'll see that in tomorrow's session. So thanks a lot. So I will upload yesterday's topic today. Then today's topic I will upload it tomorrow. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. I hope you have enjoyed the session. Please feel free to give your feedback. That will help us a lot. Bye. Have a nice day.